Hello Odoo, I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we are going to learn about how to manage branch wise sales order sequences. So let's say currently I am on my company San Francisco, right? So if I am going to settings, users and company, and here in company. So in this company I have two branches, let's say S1 and S2. So you know that we can create branches inside the company. So I just created simple branches S1 S2. So this is as a company, this will manage as a separate company, right? So this is S1 for Arizona and S2 for Alaska, right? So this is simple company branch, right? So let's say if I am going to switch on S1, right? So how to manage for S1 branch sequences? So let's say if I am going to here, let's say I'm creating the first quotation, let's say for this products quantity, and here you can see this is the company S1. And now if I am save here, right? So this is the sequence, right? So you can see if I just saved, and it will continue with the previous sequences. This is 63 because the previous one was 62. So now question is how we can create a new sequence for new company, right? So for that we need to create a separate sequence. So if you let's say if I am going to settings and then activate developer mode, and if I search here sequences, you can see settings, technical, sequential, identity. Here if I search cell, you can see this is the single sequence for all the company. Now let's say if I create a new company, I mean the new sequence for S1, right? Let's say sequence code is US S1, right? This is the sequence code, right? And let's say if I create another one for S2, US S2, right? So now if I am creating any let's say order, so it will manage based on the branch, right? So let's say this is the product, uh, customer products, and I have selected S1. Now if I save, you can see US S1001, right? And I can like send this, and also I can confirm, right? So now if I switch to S2, let's say, so this here we just forgot one thing. Let's say this, if I add here like this, then it will works correctly, right? So if I'm going to sales here and select a customer, select products, and in other info I just selected a branch company as S2, and if I save, you can see US S2 one, right? So this is very simple how we can like create based on company branch wise sequencing. So this is very simple. You just need to create a branch inside the main company, and then you just need to set up sequencing settings for each branch, right? So it will works correctly, right? I hope this video will help to you. Thank